Hello, this is the second lesson about analytics of Model 1 of Surfalytics. My name is Dmitry, and I'm teaching you analytics and data engineering. And today, in continue of my previous lesson, we'll talk about the goals of analytics. So there are probably lots of information about the goals of analytics, but we can, and again, it will ties to business for profit, like the organizations that like generate money and wants to earn the money, and the goals of the business, it's number one, either increase the revenue, right, to earn more money, or decrease the cost. In some cases, the organizations, they want to explore new markets or maybe try new products. Of course, everyone wants to avoid any kind of risk. So basically, those couple examples, those are the goals of analytics. And we just talked in the previous lesson about analytics value chain, where everything is starting from the data. And based on the data, we can make the decisions. And those decisions ideally should lead to one of the goals. For example, either increase the revenue or decrease the cost or mitigate the risk. So, and the data that we use for this, or the organization uses, it's not only the data that they generate. There is actually lots of data outside. For example, we had some use cases, real use cases from Snowflake, how the coffee shop, if I got it right, the coffee shop drove sales increase by leverage the weather data. And there are a bunch of examples how you can leverage the open source data, open data. For example, then we had COVID. There were many COVID data sources, and the organization can use this external data to see impact on their business processes. And this is examples. Right now, you can find many data. For example, if you real estate company, you probably can search for open data about different households in the area, or maybe it's government data about cost of living and so on and so on. For example, if you want to build the new data center for your public cloud or distribution center or the warehouse or dark kitchen and so on and so on, again, you can use the open data from anything to analyze this and blend with your business data to make decisions. But whatever we are talking, if you know that the goal of analytics, even just if someone will tell me like the 3 goals of analytics, I will just name increase the revenue, decrease the cost, and mitigate the risk. Yeah, everything else is complementary, and maybe obviously for you to increase the revenue, you need to research new products, new markets, check your hypothesis and everything else. And I had the example just recently about layoffs, because unfortunately some decisions, they not led to revenue increase or cost decrease. And that's why we see in many CEO memos information about layoffs, and because there are failures, there were wrong decisions, unfortunately, for many people who impacted by layoffs. But for example, for some people, maybe it's for better, you impact by layoff, and now you have opportunity to study new career for you, or maybe get additional knowledge, and Surfalytics may help you to do it for free. Yeah, just sharing my knowledge that I collected and accumulated over many years. So that's it about the goal of analytics. See you.